Okay guys, I try using my juicer machine to make yam fufu. Yes, you heard me right. Yam fufu, pounded yam. So guys, I'm starting off by peeling off my yam. Once I'm done peeling this yam, I'll wash it neatly and then put it in the pot, cook it until it becomes very soft. So I was scrolling my Instagram page and I saw this video go past my timeline. This lady made pounded yam using juice machine. I was like, what? I go try this one. Oh. Your girl love to try new things, more especially if it gets to do with cooking. So I peeled off the yam and then I washed the yam neatly. Honestly, our great-grandparents, they suffer. Our mama those days, they suffer well to give our papa food. Imagine me making pounded yam in the comfort of my own home without sweating, with no stress. Unlike when my mama they give my papa food, you go pound, they sweat. So I put it in the pot and then I cover the pot, allow the yam to cook until the yam became soft. Although my yam not too soft the way I expected it to be anyway. If you are giving this a go, cook your yam to be very soft. So then I'm just going to pour the water out and then I begin the process. I started putting the yam bit by bit into the blender and the result was magical. I was like, wow, that's so this life easy. Hey, I can't tell myself say this life no bad though. Now people wait inside this life that make the life bad. The yam was coming out and I was touching at it, no different with the fufu where you pound for mortar. In fact, this one was the best. It was so smooth and it stretched as if you pound it in the mortar. Omo, hey God, I beg you. I just cut a little bit and then I molded it and it came out nice. Honestly, this juicer machine is the best I have ever used. Like, it makes your job in the kitchen easy. Oh my goodness, just take a look at this. Fufu never ready. So guys, I'm still going to be leaving the link where I purchased this machine from Amazon. Just if you want to buy it. I don't sell product, but whenever I buy good product like this, I love to share it on my platform for others to buy. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video. If you want to purchase it, go and purchase yours. My fufu is ready. It's just left for me to start eating. All right, see you all on my next one. Bye.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far, in Ijioma's kitchen where you're the star.